Imagine a serene day in the park, birds chirping, people lounging, and then an unsuspecting bystander feels a sneeze coming. As the urge builds, dramatic slow motion kicks in, with the person's nose twitching and eyes widening absurdly. Suddenly, the sneeze erupts with an exaggerated sound, sending a nearby picnic into frenzy, as sandwiches and soda cans comically go airborne. At the video's climax, the scene repeats with a zoom in, focusing on the sneeze's catalyst, a tiny speck of pepper floating on the breeze. Cue the replay of reactions, wide eyes, open mouths, hilarious chaos, before ending with the question, who sees the sneeze differently now?